I'm having a moment. I'm crashing out right now, and it's fine. It's fine. Oh, I've heard of them. They Hello. So he wants us to take a swing at the agenda, huh? Yeah, girl, it'll be fun. Cool. Good. I'm trying to think if there's anything top of mind for me. Well, that's all I got for you.
Yeah, that's all I got to do.
Yeah, you should freak out Myra and say that I'm mad at her about something. Hi, good morning. It's been the longest day. It has been the longest day I've ever experienced. And we're barely like 3 hours in. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm feeling a little stressed out. And I think it's because I'm leaving the country in like 3 weeks. And I'm feeling a little anxious about it, but it's all right. There's just a lot of things that are not finalized yet, and I'm feeling the stress of it. You might be thinking, Bri, why are you saying this on a vlog? You're supposed to be inspiring and motivating people. Well, sometimes the process to get from point A to point B is a little stressful and induces a little bit of anxiety, and I'm trying to keep it real on this Road to Director series that I'm filming. And yeah, today just happens to be a day where I'm just not feeling, you know, rainbows and butterflies, but it's all right. It's all right, because we're gonna make some good progress. Today happens to be August 7th, and a lot of things we're gonna tie the bow, wrap up on for today and tomorrow, and I think I'll feel a lot better after that. But right now I just I still need to find 2 more people for my Australia team, and then I still have to find my backfill to help manage the BDR team here in Denver. I got a couple interviews lined up for that. Still have to find an apartment. Have yet to find one. The one that I was excited about got sniped, grabbed, acquired. It's fine, wasn't meant to be. And my visa's not finalized. We got just the visa situation, and I'm just real stressed just about the additional admin that I gotta get done on that. And I'm just frustrated. I'm having a moment. I'm crashing out right now, and it's fine. It's fine. With one stone, it is my literal favorite thing on the planet. For starters, you actually sounded really freaking good, and you need to understand that cold calling is freaking terrifying, dude, and you did it. Trust me, I'm never gonna like just tell you what you want to hear. I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna get better, and honestly, like, that wasn't as bad as you think. Where'd he go? He was just in my room. Hey Gabriel, how are ya?
I'm doing well, Bri. How are you going?
Ready to get started? This is my favorite meeting of the week. Did you guys know that?